Hey, what's up family? Today we back in the studio with another banger, and this one we're gonna go over my Supreme Week 1 pickups. If y'all did end up going for anything on Supreme Week 1, let me know what you went for and what you ended up getting in the comments below. Leave a like for more streetwear sneaker related content, subscribe to the channel, and with all that being said, let's get straight to it. So I'm not really here to waste y'all time. In this video, I'm gonna just go over what I picked up, show y'all what it looks like on body, and low-key I'm gonna have a new format for my unboxings where I'm dropping this full video, and then in like 2 to 3 hours I'm gonna drop a short version just quickly showing off what I picked up. I think it's a smart idea, so I'm gonna try it and see how it does. But let's go ahead and get straight to it. Honestly, I didn't even splurge this Supreme Week 1. I got one package, that's it, bro. I tried to go for the hoodie, shit went left, but we still copped something. And off rip, I feel some stickers, so I'm gonna pull these out first. We got the owl sticker right there, you feel me? Signature on the back and all that stuff. You already know how this goes. And we do got the knowledge is supreme sticker. Honestly, I like this one. Hey, it's just another sticker, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Then we got the 3 pieces right here. Let's go ahead and start with this first tee, which is the gas tee size XL. I got this in a black, which honestly wasn't the color I was going for. I was trying to get this in brown, but it is what it is. I'm still gonna end up keeping it in the personal, so I'm not tripping. This was probably one of my favorite tees that released. Right here, you basically got that supreme and multicolor on the chain. They're literally washing money and ironing it. Homie got the little necklace. You got more supreme branding on the side. I feel like this is a solid tee that through time is really gonna do good. I love the aesthetic on it. It just looks simple but clean, has the right branding. Definitely one of my favorites that have released in a little while. I ain't even noticed this when I was buying it, but on the back you do got more hits. It says always open with that supreme box logo under it. That's just sick, because when you're walking it's not just a black tee. And then on the front you got that nice graphic. This is gonna go for over 100 easy. That hit on the back is everything for me, honestly. And I'm gonna try this on for y'all real quick. This is the size XL. I still buy XL just because I like that oversized fit. Honestly, I was debating on sizing down to a large. I feel like this is my best choice. I could shrink it if need be. It just gives me more room, you feel me? This does fit me hella big though. Like look, hella big. So it is what it is though. This is staying in the personal for sure. I just love the graphic on the front. Then on the back you got that always open. Come on, bro. Let me know what y'all rate the gas tee out of 10. I would rate it like a 9 low key out of 10. I definitely like the fact that it has that big print, subtle hits of supreme on it. Second up, you got that true supreme knife. I do collect their knives, so at this point I'm excited to see what this one looks like. That's solid, bro. I honestly don't have no green one. So here we got the true and supreme modern keychain knife. I got it in the olive color simply because I got black supreme knives. I don't have no green supreme knives. I have black and red, but I don't have green. It's a pretty cool accessory to just put on your keys. Definitely clean. I love the way that it just clips in easily. So yeah, we got that olive supreme knife. Really good quality on this one. The back doesn't say supreme, but the front does. This was like $28 retail. Can't go wrong. Placeholder if you don't have any keychains on your keys, you feel me? You don't want to lose them. Definitely a nice little add-on. At this point I have like 6 to 7 of these supreme knives. I don't know why, but they just look cool, so I end up getting them. The last pickup is in this package right here. Let's waste no time. And all I got was another tee. I doubt they gave more stickers. Hey yo, they gave me 2 regular BOGOs, and they did send me the Supreme Smarties keychain. It has that Supreme branding right there, and there's a Supreme box logo on this thing right here. But yeah, you can literally eat this shit, so I don't know, I might just keep it. We gonna have to see, bro. And then we got the knowledge tee in this brown. I honestly love the way that this brown looks. I was trying to get the gas tee in this, but it didn't go so well. The knowledge is supreme tee with that baby on the front. I love that purple shadow that they put on the letters. That yellow looks solid. I just feel like this is a clean ass tee. It has the peace sign right there. It says mom and then the name of the artist at the bottom, which I honestly can't pronounce. Definitely a clean ass tee. I'm more excited about this one low key than the gas tee. I don't know why. It's probably the color. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on for y'all. I feel like resale probably isn't too high on these pieces. I love the way this fits. Honestly, it is a little bit big as fuck, but that's intentional. I bought this in an XL, so hopefully I can shrink it and it's not too big on me. My favorite part definitely has to be the color and just the playfulness on the actual design. I feel like this might be one of those, again, kind of like this one, where maybe I'm being biased, but I feel like these two were the best designs that they had in store this week 1 release. Maybe that's subjectional to whatever you guys like. This gas tee is literally self-explanatory. Gas, bruh. Always open. Gas. Knowledge is supreme. Another banger. Like, let's be realistic. I really wish I would have got this in the brown, probably this in the black, but either way, solid. But yeah, man, that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like on it and subscribe down below for more content related to sneakers and streetwear. Stay tuned, because in a couple hours I'm gonna drop the short with just the try-ons for these pieces. Let me know what y'all think about the shorts I've been doing. Also, drop any video ideas down below. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.